car wash man out here at Gray Wolf Airfield in Sequim, Washington. It's great. You can build your house here, and you can put your plane in a garage, and you've got your own private airport. Detailing this car here. Not finished with it yet. We waxed it. Nice polish wax. It's kind of nice having your own private airport. You want to leave, you just jump in your plane and take off.
What's the matter with them silly people?
I know, just jumping in their planes and just taking off.
Have you watched the biplane take off?
Yeah.
Just